Hello everyone and welcome, and today we are going to see using if to make a wish. Using if to make a wish. Remember, if we said if means singa in Luganda. Singa in Luganda. Or it can mean obanga as we saw in the previous video. So today we are going to see how we use if to make a wish. Okozesa singa okulaga ekyegombebwa okubeewo. Okozesa singa okulaga ekyegombebwa okubaawo. Okay, let's go into examples such that you further understand how we use if to make a wish. Examples. Ebyokulabirako. Examples. Number 1. If you knew it, you would not fail to start it. If you knew it, you would not fail to start it. In this case, we use if to show what is expected to happen, although it has not yet happened. So tukozesa singa okulaga kiki tusuubira okubaawo newankubadde nga tekinnaba kubaawo. So once you analyze this statement very well, it's if you knew it, you would not fail to start it. If you knew it, you would not fail to start it. And this in Luganda means singa gwe wabadde okimanyi tewandiremeddwa kukitandika. Singa gwe wabadde okimanyi, if you knew it. Singa gwe wabadde okimanyi tewandiremeddwa kukitandika, implying that singa yabadde akimanyi yandikitandise bulungi, naye yalemeddwa okukitandika kubanga yabadde takola ki? Takimanyi. If you knew it, you would not fail to start it, implying that he failed to start it because he didn't know. So your wish was if he knew it. Singa yabadde akimanyi teyandiremeddwa kukitandika. Okay, let's go to the next example. I would come if you had told me. I would come if you had told me. And this in Luganda is Inze nandibadde nzija singa gwe wangambye. Inze nandibadde nzija singa gwe wangambye, implying that he failed to come because they didn't tell him. So I would come if you had told me. Nze nandibadde nzija singa gwe wangambye. Okay, the next example. If I had $1 million, I would be happy. If I had $1 million, I would be happy. Implying that you don't have $1 million. But if I had $1 million, I would be happy. Singa, if it's singa nalina akakadde ka $1 nandibadde musanyufu. Singa nalina akakadde ka $1 nandibadde musanyufu. Okay, so let's see how we can use if as a conjunction. Using if as a conjunction. Remember, we said conjunctions are joining words. Ekigambo, ekigasi. Conjunction, ekigambo, ekigasi. Ekigambo ekigatta emboozi awamu. So, using if as a conjunction, okozesa singa inga ekigambo ekigasi. So we looked at conjunctions. So if you want to know more about conjunctions, you can refer to my video about conjunctions. Ebigambo, ebigasi. Okay, let's dive into it. Number 1. I am happy if you are with me. Once again, I am happy if you are with me. And if you critically look at this statement, if is in the middle. It is used to join two sentences. This is I am happy, you are with me. So if is used to join these two sentences. If you further look at them, I am happy if you are with me. So ekozesebwa nga ekigambo ekigasi, ekigambo ekigatta emboozi awamu. As you see, I am happy if, in the middle, you are with me. So this in Luganda is Nze ndi musanyufu. I am happy. Nze ndi musanyufu. Singa, because of this if. Nze ndi musanyufu singa gwe oli nange. You are with me. Singa gwe oli nange. Once again, nze ndi musanyufu singa gwe oli nange. This is I am happy if you are with me, and in Luganda it's going to be nze ndi musanyufu singa gwe oli nange. Okay, another example. I will stay if you give me more money. I will stay if you give me more money. If you further look at this statement, if is used in the middle. I will stay if you give me more money. I will stay if you give me more money. This in Luganda is nze nja kusigala singa gwe ompa sente endala. More money is sente endala. So nze nja kusigala singa gwe ompa sente endala. So I will stay, nze nja kusigala. So we use nze because of this pronoun I. Nze, we looked at pronouns. So I, nze, will, nja kusigala. I will stay if singa. I will stay if you give me more money. Nze nja kusigala singa gwe ompa sente endala. Okay, another example. He will buy you pizza if you pass the test. He will buy you pizza if you pass the test. This in Luganda is ye ajja kugulira pizza singa oyita ekigezo. Ye ajja kugulira pizza singa oyita ekigezo. So he will buy you pizza, ye ajja kugulira pizza if you pass the test singa oyita ekigezo. So if is used to join these sentences, ekozesebwa nga ekigambo ekigasi. Okay, let's proceed. Another example. You only become rich if you work smart. You only become rich. So if is used to join, you work smart. You only become rich if you work smart. And this in Luganda will be gwe obeera mugagga singa okola bulungi. Gwe obeera mugagga singa okola bulungi, implying that if you don't work smart, you won't become rich. So you only become rich if you work smart. Gwe obeera mugagga singa okola bulungi. Okay, that's it in this video. A recap, remember we said if is singa. If is singa. And if is used as a conjunction, ekozesebwa nga ekigambo ekigasi is used to make a wish. Ekozesebwa okulaga ki ekyegombebwa okubaawo, and it is used also to make a polite request. Ekozesebwa okusaba ekintu mu bwetowaze. Okay, that is it in this video. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye. Wherever.